Any kind of e-commerce or service-oriented Shopify website, there are no enabled data layer, so we don't track our conversions. In this video, I will show you how to enable data layer in Shopify website. Hello everyone, I'm Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. We enable our Shopify data layer with only 3 steps: step 1, step 2, and step 3. Our first step is we can create our snippet, the new snippet in our Shopify website backend. So let's go to the Shopify website backend. Is our Shopify website backend starts. Uh, there we can see that the go to the online store, then the theme and the snippet, and the create new snippet. And the snippet name is Ultimate Data Layer. So let's go to the Shopify website backend and go to the online store. Then we go to the theme and we go to the customize 3 dot icons, the 3 edit code. Then we can see that the instruction is the theme, then the snippet. And we can just enroll the snippet and use the snippet and create the new snippet, and the snippet name is Ultimate Data Layer. We just copy it and just paste here and done. And the next instruction is the Shopify all page data layer code. We just simply click the URL and we can see that there is a total e-commerce or service oriented data is here. So just we can copy just we can just copy the total data layer code. It's a huge code here. We just copy it. We just copy it and paste here. Okay, just save it. Let's see our second step. Install data layer first call in the code on the Shopify website. The instruction here, the online is to go to the online store, the theme, action button, edit code, layout, and theme.liquid. So we can go the online store, the theme, and the edit code options, theme.liquid. And we can see that the instruction is forget our DTM code. So we can just click our DTM code and just copy it and paste the header section. Just simply paste the header section. Then our next instruction is the all page code name is the include ultimate data layer, and just paste here and just save it. It's our second step. And our third step is the put down the code, the checkout process confirmation page. And the instruction is go to the setting, the checkout, the order process, then the scripted ID. So we can just exit here and we go to the setting options, and there are the checkout options, and we can scroll down and there is a additional spirit, and we can click the link of URL and there is a new code here. We just simply copy it. It's a short code, no matter, the copy and the paste here. Don't save the change the GTM code. So we can click and copy the GTM code and just paste here and save it. Okay, that is the total process, the enable Shopify data layer. And now we can check it's actually work or not. So first of all is our GTM, the preview options, and just simply run our website URL. This is our website, the copy and this paste here and the continue. You can see that our website and GTM is already connected. and we go to the tag assistants, and we can see that there are only some data here. Any activities in our website, we just click the one options is a one page. We can see that our view item is already here, and the view item data layer, click the data layer, is there. That all kind of informations, the product is here, the event is view items, and the currency is BDT, and the item list, the item total, this item total information here. And we can just click the checkout options, and we can see that the checkout data layer is here. You can see that all kind of information is here. The next is we can just check out. The begin checkout is fire, and we can see that our total information of is here. Now we can simply purchase it. Our some information to create here. We can see that our purchase is completed, and we go to the purchase options. We can see that the total product data is here. There is my transaction ID, the total value, the tax, the shipping, that the currency, the tokens, and the item ID, item product, the item name, the all kind of data here. So that's for today, guys. That is a total process of how to enable data layer. I can share this file link in my video description. I hope you will understand how to enable data layer. Is there any problem? We just contact me, link in the description.